Child, I went to sleep at like 1:30 a.m. and so basically I had to wake up at 8 because my shoot is at 10. And I realized that I need to always wake up at least 2 hours earlier just to make sure I can get everything done. I want to get there earlier than I usually do, especially because I'm vlogging today. I want to make sure that I am able to set things up properly. Just finished washing my face and now I already put on toner and serum. So I'm using my gua sha, I believe that's how you pronounce it, tool to just kind of help sculpt my face because in the morning I tend to get a little puffy. So I like to use this end of the tool and I feel like it perfectly hugs my cheek. Like, I don't know, it hugs my cheek. And then you can also do it on your neck. At least this is what I saw in a YouTube video. So, you know, definitely do your own research to make sure that it's proper and correct. I go in with a jade roller. Also, both of these I keep in my skincare fridge. I have a skincare fridge. But I keep both of these in my skincare fridge because they are cold, like very, very cold. And so I feel like that also helps with the depuffing situation. Literally just brings back so much moisture to my face. It's like, wow. I'm gonna quickly do my makeup because I feel like I'm low-key running behind. So I'm just gonna speed this baby up and get her on, okay? This is my usual everyday as in like the look I always do. I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'm just gonna put on my pants, leave my hair stuff on, put on my shoes, and then head out because I need to stop at the gas station. I need to stop at Starbucks, and then I'll finally meet with my photographer. So, yeah. We can make that happen though. We can.
Like really badly.
Really, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Okay.
Especially because it's literally hot right now. I am sweating.
Yeah.
I'm like, what the heck?
Amazing. Let's get a video of you in this, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, even though you have this one, but one like here.
This is outfit number 3, location number 3. Stephanie always picks out the cute little areas, and it's shady, y'all, because I am sweating. I don't know if you can see. The sweat is real. I know I shot this skirt the last time, but I feel like I like this outfit better.
I do too. I like
It's giving me more
very
suburban outfit.
edgy. Yeah.
Alright guys, I just finished shooting. I did 4 looks in about an hour, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I think 4 looks in an hour. So honestly, I usually do 3. So I'm pretty proud of myself for actually getting 4 done because I didn't think it was possible. I am sweating. It is freaking hot out here. I'm about to go home, freshen up, and then I guess I think I'm gonna record some YouTube videos, but it's hot. I have become re-obsessed with this song. Re-obsessed.
Don't live a king, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Shine already, time already.
Literally the longest line to get into the Starbucks. Like, the Starbucks is all the way over there.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. My name is Chris. Can I get your name?
Hi Chris, my name is Seyi.
Hi, what can I get started for you?
Hi, may I please get an iced matcha, a venti with a pump of toffee nut and coconut milk instead?
Okay.
Can I get easy ice on that, please?
Easy ice, no problem.
And then can I also get a grande peach green tea lemonade?
Grande peach green tea lemonade, sweetened or unsweetened?
Sweetened, please?
Sweetened?
Yes, please.
Yeah, no problem. What else for you?
Do you guys have the bagel bites?
Yes. Do you want plain or
Yes, plain is good.
everything?
The plain? Yeah, the plain is fine.
Thank you. Anything else?
And then can I also, yeah, actually that's all.
That's it? Okay. So 55, just please make sure you have your mask on, okay?
Yep, will do. Thank you.
I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening? What was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage.
Sipping my drink. This is the iced green tea matcha, and I get it with coconut milk because any other milk tends to make my stomach go meh, meh. 1 pump toffee nut for a little bit of sweetener, and then light ice because Starbucks stays putting too much ice in their drinks. Like, they know what they're doing. Also get the venti. Very refreshing. Very refreshing. Okay. I need to send this payment to my photographer, and then I'm gonna go home and figure out my next step. Is this vlog over? I don't know. I don't think so. Also, this is the eye look I did. I did this eye look the other day. But yeah, I've been really loving like colored liner, or just color in general. I don't know what's happening. I'm like, who am I? Who even is she? But yeah, I'm gonna be experimenting with more color on my eyes. So we'll see how that goes. Not that I got anywhere to go. Anyway. So this brand called Paleta sent over some food. They basically send it like every day, they said, for the day. So they sent over breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I did not eat it this morning because I was doing my blog stuff, but I think I'm gonna warm this one up. Oh, this is dinner. Whoops. Where's lunch? Oh, here's lunch. Lunch is tilapia escarole. What the heck is that? Quinoa, pilaf, interesting, and pesto sauce. Okay, I like pesto. This turkey one looks kind of good though. Okay, I'll just save this one for dinner since it's for dinner. I'll save it for dinner. It says the best thing to do it is put it in the oven. But do I feel like waiting for all that? Alright, I'm also gonna wash these hands. I'm not fully sure if I'm gonna like the footage that I just recorded, which sucks. I don't know. I feel like I may not like it, which means I'm gonna have to re-record it tomorrow. But yeah, that's essentially my day of content creation. I'm gonna eat now because I'm hungry, and then I think that's it. I don't think I have anything else to do. I think I'm just gonna try to look at the footage that I recorded and see if it's good, and then I think we're gonna call it a day, y'all. That is my Friday. So I didn't say in the beginning of the video, but I do have every other Friday off for my summer Fridays at my job, and so I don't have next Friday off, and then I have the next Friday off after that, and then I am actually taking a vacation, not this upcoming week but the next week, because I'm just like, I just need some time off, y'all. So usually on Friday I try to get stuff, like every other Friday I try to get blog stuff done, and then if I don't have the Friday off, I'll try to do it on Saturday. But doing it on Friday is much more convenient, because then that leaves me my weekend to really enjoy the weekend. I mean, I enjoy doing like blogging and content creating and influencing stuff, but it is work at the end of the day, so I like to have my weekends to not do no work. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think that's it, y'all. Thank you for following on this vlog today. Oh, there goes my food. And I guess I'll catch y'all in my next video. Yeah, all right. Bye.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.